just give me a shot. I know the PSI, my record's horrible, and the PSI recommends jail time, I understand. But if you give me a shot at probation here or whatever I need to do, I promise I won't lay it down. I'm like I said, I'm a humble man standing in front of you.
45 years old, multiple sclerosis. Caring for an 83-year-old mother with dementia. Sounds sympathetic until you read the file. Driving on a suspended license, no insurance, resisting an officer. Fresh out of Wayne County Jail on retail fraud. And still has an active warrant out of 35th District Court. The pre-sentence report isn't pulling punches, it's recommending jail, so now he's standing in front of a judge, calling himself a humble man, begging for probation. The question is, does that humility come from genuine change? Or from knowing exactly what to say to stay out of a cell? Watch what happens.
Nicholas Allen Benson. 2 Spy B 147801A, B, and C.
Good morning, Judge. Matthew Gates, Mr. Benson.
Mr. Benson, your name.
Nicholas Allen Benson, Your Honor.
I ordered a pre-sentence report. I don't know why I did that. It was a drive while suspend, no insurance, and resisting obstructing officer. I know I did that in part. Wait a minute, what do you, hang on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, just let me, I gotta put some things on the record here. So I ordered a pre-sentence report, and they're not fooling around over there, are they?
No.
They're recommending jail.
No.
So, you had a chance to review the report?
Yeah,
Any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
no, I just actually.
Anything you'd like to say? He's got, so just let me go back here. He owes money on file 801C. He has not been sentenced on the suspend charge yet. He's not been sentenced on the charge which caused me to refer him, and that was the R&O that was reduced to disorderly. You know how bad your record is.
Yes, sir. You, say something.
No, that means, no.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we have had a chance to read the report. On behalf of Mr. Benson, Judge, he is 45 years old. He is currently unemployed due to the fact that he was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. He's applying for SSI, Judge. He was just recently released from Wayne County Jail where he did a year on retail fraud. He was released in February of 26.
If there's a two sentences,
Let him finish.
He currently lives with his mother, who's 83 years old, Judge, who suffers from dementia. He is her sole caregiver. There was a living nurse who was helping her out. That nurse was found to be committing all sorts of larceny and embezzling certain financial assets from the mother.
1 second, John.
Yeah.
You took his daughter's case to the lawyers, right?
That's
Yeah. And what I wanted to say, she got away up. Well,
Right outside. I just thought you went down the hall. What was her name? What's your daughter's name?
I have that file. I didn't.
Thank you. Sir, just please, she's to wait out there for this lawyer. Go ahead.
Judge, and to Mr. Benson's credit, Judge, he was the one that, he tried several times to do a plea by mail while he was incarcerated. That never materialized.
Hang on, let me see. Wait a minute. Let me double check. I'd be shocked if I didn't respond. Did I respond to you?
He said he also submitted an apology letter.
with an apology letter, but at the time, the R&O.
Hang on. I mean, I'd be shocked if I didn't respond.
I'm back in.
Listen, I got it. Just give me a second, will you please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I apologize. Just saying.
I never received a plea by mail request on this. Never. I'll wait, maybe it was put in the other file. Give me 1 second. I'll double check. Maybe it was put in this suspend charge. As of April 10, you still got a warrant out of 35th District Court.
He's in the process of taking care of it. He does have court dates already scheduled.
Okay, you did send one July 75, July 7 of 25, I should say. But, I mean, it's my practice to respond to these, and I don't see where I did. Go ahead.
Yep, so when he didn't get any response to those, he did walk in on his own volition, Judge. And
When was he released?
he was released in February of 26, correct?
I was released from Oakland County in November. I came to court, that turned myself in, came to court, got a personal bond and was ahead of court date schedule, but then I had to go back to
Wait a minute, wait.
Wayne County on
Wait a
another
minute,
charge.
wait a minute.
I was out for,
You came in here November 12th to 25.
right, and then I had a court date for the second, I believe, of December, and I missed that because I got incarcerated by Wayne County for another case. And then I did the time in Wayne County, and when I got out of Wayne County, I reported again to Brownstown again. The only reason I missed court date was due to incarceration.
Gosh,
I know it's been I made a mess. A couple years ago, I made a huge mess of my life. I'm cleaning it up right now. I'm facing it head on.
how old are you?
I'm 45. Cleaning sober now.
Wow.
So I'm on felony probation for the Wayne County case. But I'm trying to clear all these things up. I made a huge mess.
All right, okay, slow down. Are you done talking?
I'm just, Judge, I would just ask the court to take that into consideration, that he's in fact trying to clear up his, past issues and anything that's outstanding. And the fact that he is caring for his elderly mother, along with his, current medical situation, Judge, I would ask the court to sentence him to probation. And he's assured me that he would do whatever it takes to comply fully and put these issues behind him, Judge.
Anything you'd like to say, Mr. Pence?
Just, I stand before you, a humble man, Your Honor. Like I said, I made a mess of my life in communities. A couple of years ago, I was committing retail frauds and I was on drugs. Since I've been released from Wayne County Jail a couple months ago, I've made 2 truthful reports to my felony probation, which has been clean drug tests, and I'm attending team wellness, which I'm seeing bi-weekly. I see a therapist. I also am seeing a psychiatrist, and I'm back on my medication. I know I have a slew of court dates, a slew of old cases that mounted up on, stacked up on me. I got Van Buren, I got Huron Township.
What judge are you in front of on the plea and elude? Were you sentenced
I
on
was
that?
I was sentenced, that's what I found, I was sentenced to jail time and then.
How much?
probation To follow.
How much?
I did 90 days in jail on that case, but 8 months in Oakland County in retail frauds prior to that, they were back to back. Like I said, I'm clean and sober now, and I'm ready to take on probation, community service, whatever. It keeps me busy anyway, doing all that stuff. And that's good for me. Just give me a shot. I know the PSI, my record's horrible, and the PSI recommends jail time, I understand it. But if you give me a shot at probation here or whatever I need to do, I promise I won't lay it down. Like I said, I'm a humble man standing in front of you. One more thing, if I may, Your Honor. In your defense, the mail ran really horrible in Oakland County Jail. My mother sent me several letters that I never received. So you may have responded to that plea back in July.
I don't see where I did.
So I don't
I
know.
don't see where I did, and that's unlike me. I don't know why that would have happened. I gotta be honest with you. I don't know why that happened. I don't just throw these in a drawer somewhere, and I don't see where I did. And that's gonna benefit you here today. Here's what I'm doing. I'm giving you credit for time served on the no proof insurance. You're giving credit for time served in Oakland and Wayne County jails. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of that. And then on the other files, I'm gonna go ahead and assess on both of them. I'm gonna go kind of light on fines, 100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 3 1/4. On each file, 3.25 on each file. I'm about to suspend. I'm gonna give you 30 days, credit 30 from the Oakland County, and Wayne County time that you served. It sounds like. So, and then I'm gonna give you 60 more days if you don't pay your fines and costs. They're 3.25
Thank you.
each case,
Is that 650 total?
650 total. So here's what I'm gonna let them do. I'm gonna let you pay $50 per month. Heather, I don't care how you do it. Print out 50 a month. You can pay them back to back. I don't care if you put it on the A file first or the B file first. So you can pay 50 a month. If you don't have the money, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, or you can walk up here or drive up here, I should say. You live in Flat Rock. You can't drive up here. You don't have a valid license, but you get what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
So you set up the payment. I don't care where it starts, 50 a month on the 1478001A and 1478001B. And I'm gonna close out the no insurance. You still have to pay the clearance fee on that, okay, to get your license back. That's $45. I don't know about the rest of your issues. And you need to go over to those other courts and take care of those, okay?
And,
What is the start date for the payment plan?
I'm gonna let Heather set it up.
Okay.
Did I not say May?
No, didn't.
Didn't I say anything? My fault. When do you think you can start? June 1st?
can I get to July 1st?
July
Are
1st?
they gonna send a notice in the mail too?
No, for what?
I just wonder because they have the wrong address if they are.
Well, you go down and tell my judicial clerk what address you live at.
We will
If
give
you
him the payment plan up here also, Judge.
Whatever you set up is fine with me, Heather. Go talk to my judicial clerk. She'll be great with you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Stay out of here. I hope you're changing your life. Good luck.
45 years old, multiple sclerosis. Caring for an 83-year-old mother with dementia. Sounds sympathetic until you read the file. Driving on a suspended license, no insurance, resisting an officer. Fresh out of Wayne County Jail on retail fraud, and still has an active warrant out of 35th District Court. The pre-sentence report isn't pulling punches, it's recommending jail, so now he's standing in front of a judge, calling himself a humble man, begging for probation. The question is, does that humility come from genuine change? Or from knowing exactly what to say to stay out of a cell? Watch what happens.